Jai Shri Sai everyone. Welcome to this very special Guru Purnima Satsang. We offer our gratitude to Baba and Guruji and start the satsang with their blessings. We will start with Dhoop Aarti. Jai Shri Sai. After Baba's blissful Aarti, we now have the kids program. We will start with little Manasa.
जय श्री साई जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदा त्रिभुवन कोरे जा चरण वंदार नीलाचल शंख चक्र गदा पनद नदिया नगर दंड कमंडलुका केहू बोले पूरबे ते रावण बादिला गोलोके वैभवलीला प्रकाश कोरिला जय जय जगन्नाथ सच्चिदानंदा त्रिभुवन कोरे जा चरण वंदार श्री राधा भवे गोरावतार हरे कृष्ण नाम गोरा गोरीला प्रचार वासुदेव घोष बोले कोरी जोड़ा हाथ जय गोरा से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ जय जय जगन्नाथ चिरानंदा त्रिभुवन कोरे जार चरण वंदार जय श्री साई।
Next we have Meshwa. Jai Shri Sai Meshwa.
जय श्री साई।
Yeah.
अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरा पानिर्मधुरा पादो मधुरो मधुराधिपते नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं करणं मधुरं तरणं मधुरं हरणं मधुरं रमणं मधुरं वमितं मधुरं समितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं शुक्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं गुच्छा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा वीची मधुरा सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं शष्टं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा युष्टि मधुरा सृष्टि
मधुरा दलितं मधुरं सलितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं. जय श्री साई.
Now we have Nishad and Nabha. We'll have the recording.
Pankuroti kalyanam आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमस्तुते दिव्या दिव्या दीपत्कार कानी कुंडल मोतीहार दिव्याला पाहून नमस्कार तिळाचे तेल कापसाची वात तिळाचे होते सारी वात दिवा लावला तुळशी पाशी माझा नमस्कार सर्व देवांना पाशी घाते प्रेरबा हे जाऊदे भाई श्री लक्ष्मी कराची होते करच्या दानाना सर्व आयुष्य लागू दे जय अंबाबाई सर्वांना सुखी ठेव.
Today I will be reciting the most well-known Ganpati temples called Ashtavinayaks. Swasti Shri Gananayakam Gajumukham Moreshwaram Siddhitham Ballaram Murudam Vinayakamaram Chintamane Lenyadri Girijatmakam Sonatham Vigneshwaram Ozaram Grame Ransana Sansito Ganapatim Kurya Sada Mangalam.
गणपति बाप्पा
Moria.
Jai Shri Sai. Now we have Swara.
जय श्री साई. ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः.
ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः.
ओम श्री कृष्णाय नमः.
ओम श्री कृष्णाय नमः.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
ओम नमो नारायणाय.
ओम नमो नारायणाय.
गुरु हमारे मन मंदिर में गुरु हमारे प्यार.
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 सारे विश्व का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान.
सारे विश्व का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान.
गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
ओम गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
ओम 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 गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
गुरु हमारे तन मन सब है हमारे प्यार.
गुरु हमारे तन मन सब है गुरु हमारे प्यार.
गुरु हमारे तन मन सब है गुरु हमारे प्यार.
गुरु हमारे तन मन सब है गुरु हमारे प्यार.
ज्ञान भक्ति का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान.
ज्ञान भक्ति का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान.
ओम गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
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 गुरुदेव
गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
गुरु हमारे
गुरु हमारे प्यार.
गुरु हमारे धन दौलत है गुरु हमारे प्यार.
गुरु हमारे धन दौलत है गुरु हमारे प्यार.
सारे विश्व का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान.
सारे विश्व का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान.
ओम गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
ओम गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव.
ओम गुरुदेव जय
गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव।
Jai Shri Sai.
Now have Tara and Tanu.
Jai Shri Sai.
I'm going to sing Guru and Saraswati. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam, Parade Kamarupani, Vidyarambam Karishyami, Siddhe Bhavatu Me Sada.
Jai Shri Sai. जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरी महिमा अति सुखदाई। माता पिता तुम गुरु साई, तुम करुणा के सागर साई। जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरी महिमा अति सुखदाई। तुम ही ब्रह्मा, तुम ही विष्णु, तुम ही साई ओ शिव शंकर। तुम ही गजानन, तुम विघ्नेश्वर, तुम ही साई तत्तिगंबर। तुम ही समर्थ स्वामी साई, तुम ही समर्थ स्वामी साई। जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरी महिमा अति सुखदाई। राम तुम्ही हो, श्याम तुम्ही हो, साई चारों धाम तुम्ही हो। काशी मथुरा काबा तुझ में, सब है साई बाबा तुझ में। तेरी लीला प्यारी साई, तेरी लीला प्यारी साई। जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरी महिमा अति सुखदाई। निस दिन तेरा ध्यान लगाऊं, हर पल साई साई गाऊं। जब तक तन में प्राणों बाकी, दिख तेरा है बस तेरे जाकी। इतनी दया रखना मेरे साई, इतनी दया रखना मेरा साई। जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरी महिमा अति सुखदाई। दुख हो चाहे सुख जीवन में, बीते समय बस तेरे भजन में। क्या है मेरा सब है तेरा, तन मन धन जीवन है तेरा। बिगड़ी सभी की तुमने बनाई, बिगड़ी सभी की तुमने बनाई। जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरी महिमा अति सुखदाई। तुमसे बदाना कोई दाता, तुम हो सबके भाग्य विदाता। कर के तुम्हारे जो भी आता, बिन मांगे वो सब सुख पाता। सबकी तूने आस पुराई, सबकी तूने आस पुराई। जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरी महिमा अति सुखदाई। माता पिता तुम गुरु साई, तुम करुणा के सागर साई। जय जय साई, जय जय साई, तेरे महिमा अति सुखदाई। जय श्री साई।
So now we have Shritika.
जय श्री साई।
पुष्पयागमो साईకి पुष्पयागमो, पुष्पयागमो साईకి
సాయికి పుష్పయాగము పువ్వులతో మాలలతో పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము ఖండోబాలయ ప్రవేశ ఉత్సవం మహల్సాపతి చేసిన పుష్పాభిషేకము ఖండోబాలయ ప్రవేశ ఉత్సవం మహల్సాపతి చేసిన పుష్పాభిషేకము శ్రీ సాయిగా పిలిచిన నామకరణ ఉత్సవం శ్రీ సాయిగా పిలిచిన నామకరణ ఉత్సవం పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము పువ్వులతో మాలలతో పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము ద్వారకామాయిలో అవన ఉత్సవం దుని ముందు సాయికి పుష్పాభిషేకము ద్వారకామాయిలో అవన ఉత్సవం దుని ముందు సాయికి పుష్పాభిషేకము శ్రీ సాయి నామ స్మరణతో సాయి కోటి ఉత్సవం శ్రీ సాయి నామ స్మరణతో సాయి కోటి ఉత్సవం పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము పువ్వులతో మాలలతో పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము చావడిలో సాయికి నిరాజనోత్సవం భక్తులందరూ చేసే ఆరాధనోత్సవం చావడిలో సాయికి నిరాజనోత్సవం భక్తులందరూ చేసే ఆరాధనోత్సవం గురు సాంబ శివుడు చేసేటి సాయి కోటి ఉత్సవం గురు సాంబ శివుడు చేసేటి సాయి కోటి ఉత్సవం పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము పువ్వులతో మాలలతో పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము సాయికి పుష్పయాగము శ్రీ సాయి.
Next, for Guru Purnima Satsang, we have an offering by Khyati and then Sushma. Jai Shri Sai, Khyati and Sushma.
Jai Shri Sai, everyone. Today I am talking about Guru Purnima. But first, let's understand the meaning of these two words, Guru and Purnima. The word Guru is derived from two words, Gu and Ru. In Sanskrit, Gu means darkness or ignorance, and Ru means remover. Therefore, one who removes darkness of our ignorance is called as Guru. And Purnima means full moon. The festival is celebrated on a full moon day in the Hindu month of Ashad. Guru Purnima is a tradition dedicated to all the gurus, spiritual or academic, who are evolved or enlightened humans. It is celebrated in India, Bhutan, and Nepal by Hindus, Jains, and Buddhists. On this day, devotees or disciples offer puja and express their gratitude towards their guru. Now, let us talk about why a guru is needed. For that, first we need to understand what we mean by ignorance or darkness. Ignorance means lack of knowledge or information, while darkness means partial or total absence of light. A human being's knowledge is very limited, whether it be physical, for example, knowledge of his body, his food habits, or mental, like jealousy, hatred, cruelty, which means lack of compassion and love for others around us, or spiritual, that is knowledge about self, our true nature, our connection with God, or with Mother Nature. So depending upon ignorance, gurus can be different and even more than one. So in a way, anyone who teaches us a new thing is called a guru. When a child is born, he or she is like a blank paper. And so, Mata and Pita are usually the first guru in everyone's life. They teach the child the basic things, like they give him or her knowledge about how to eat, how to drink, how to talk. In short, how to survive in this world, or in other words, they remove physical and mental ignorance up to certain extent. In ancient times, after a child came to a certain age, he or she was sent to the Gurukul to gain further knowledge. There, Guru, after careful observation, gave knowledge of different kinds according to capability of the disciple, which include spiritual as well as academic knowledge. Nowadays, after the child attains a certain age, he or she is sent to school. So teachers give them knowledge of different subject and become second guru. Teachers train them how to build careers and earn money and live a good life. So teachers remove physical and mental ignorance further. A person may sometimes feel that something is missing in his or her life, and at that time seeks for a spiritual direction in life through someone who can show him the path of light. In other words, a spiritual guru or Sadguru. Sadguru is an enlightened soul or an evolved being who takes birth on earth to guide us towards emancipation. Sadguru holds the hand of a devotee and takes him from darkness, that is, world of Maya, towards light, enlightenment. Being trapped in the world of Maya, a human being gets disillusioned about his own self, his connection with other human beings, with God, with nature. But the Sadguru brings him to his true senses, shows him compassion and love, teaches him patience, and saves him from worldly miseries. Sadguru knows the past, present, and future of his devotees. He tells some devotees to chant the name of God, some to read religious literature, some to sing bhajans, and some others to meditate. And like this, the Sadguru exhausts the past karmas, that is papa, of his disciples and devotees, and slowly evolves him. Forgetting about his personal goals, the devotee yearns for his Guru and prays to Sadguru to make him his medium to serve the society. A Sadguru is filled with kindness, compassion, and unconditional love for every living and non living thing. So, to live a good life, all three Gurus are needed. On Guru Purnima day, people show their gratitude towards their Guru by doing puja and archana. Some do parayan of holy books of Guru. Some do nam jap of their Guru. Some recite shloka in remembrance of their Guru. Many people do Mahabhojan on this day. Special worship and abhishek are done to Guru's idol on this day. Special prasad is prepared in temples on this auspicious day, and bhajan kirtan are performed. Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai. I'm going to talk about Sai Baba. India is the land of thousands of gurus, saints, spiritual masters. Many people follow gurus. Guru shows a knowledgeable path to his devotee. Shirdi Sai Baba is one of the most famous Indian spiritual masters who is known as Saint, Fakir, Siddha, Sadguru, and an incarnation of God. At the age of 16, Sai Baba made his first appearance in Shirdi. A young man with bright eyes lived in a mosque. Nobody knew about that stranger. People called him Fakir, but his simple, kind, compassionate words, love towards animals and birds, helping nature, and his special powers made him Fakir to Sai Baba. His real name remains unknown, but the given name Sai Baba has huge meaning. Sai means God, holy man, and Baba means father. Everyone knew that Baba was not an ordinary person and he had extraordinary godly powers. Baba lived in an old mosque, which he called as a Dwarka mine. There is a sacred dhuni in the mosque, which is still maintained. He gave sacred ashes to people in need. These ashes were called Udi or Vibhuti, and these Udi had unbelievable healing powers. Many times, Baba himself performed leelas with this Udi. Using Udi, Baba taught about aspects of discrimination. Accept everyone whoever they are. Baba's philosophy of self-realization was loved by all. He showed us some ways about how to live our lives. One of his well-known epigrams is Allah Malik, which means God is master. Sabka Malik Ek, which means everyone's master is one. That is the unity of all gods. Baba strongly believed in the equality of religions, and he never treated anyone based on caste. He believed that all people are one and the same. Baba always told that trust in the Guru fully. That is the only sadhana. Baba always put Gurus in high respect. According to him, Guru is the subtle base of the path of devotion. He asks for the complete surrender to the Guru, and Guru gives you knowledge. Guru brings you close to God. Baba advised his devotee to establish special features of characters that are Shraddha and Saburi. Shraddha means faith with love, and Saburi means patience, which is the simply not giving up whatever difficulty comes. This is an important quality needed throughout the path to reach the goal. He advised his disciples to overcome negative thoughts and develop good ones. Negativity will destroy you. Always keep a positive attitude. He said, what you sow, you reap. What you give, you get. Do not fight with anyone. Develop love and compassion over egoism. His 11 assurances says that you have a faith and patience, then I will be always with you wherever you are. You have trust in me. Many devotees are experiencing his love, presence, and protection in daily life. He encouraged his devotee to pray, chant God's name, and read holy scriptures. Millions of devotees go to him with their own problems, and Baba always protects them, guides them, shows them the way, and showers his blessings and love. Baba is always with us and listening to our voice. He teaches love, forgiveness, non-violence, peace, truth, and good behavior. He always encouraged charity and the importance of sharing with others. Baba taught compassion among his disciples. Many times he explained the meaning of life. He often told his devotees, never turn away anybody from your door, be it a human being or animal. Love all alike and help those you can. Treat them with respect. It is our duty to behave properly. Whatever you receive is because of God. See God in everyone. Sai Baba left his body on 15th October 1980 on that year's Vijayadashmi festival. His death rituals were done in Buttiwada, Shirdi, which later became a place of worship and came to be known as Shirdi Sai Baba Temple. Thousands of devotees visit the temple daily. In 2018, Indian Post issued a commemorative postage stamp of ₹5 to honor Sai Baba. And in 2017, another postage stamp was issued. The centenary celebrations of Sai Baba's Mahasamadhi were held on Vijayadashmi 2018 with great fervor by his devotees at Shirdi and all over the world. A year-long celebration happened in many places during the Vijayadashmi of 2017-18. There are many temples, statues, monuments of Sai Baba which have been made by devotees across the world. As per ritual and tradition, 4 aartis are held daily inside the Samadhi Mandir. Shri Sai Satcharitra, written by Shri Govind Raghunath Dabolkar, alias Hemad Pant, is a treasure trove for the Sai devotees based on the wonderful life and teaching of Shri Shirdi Sai Baba. Jai Shri Sai.
We now offer our humble salutations to our beloved Guruji, Dr. Chandrabhanu Satpathy Ji. Sri Guru Bhagavad, written by Guruji, is a treatise on master-disciple relationship and much more. Sri Guru Bhagavad is a gift to humanity. With Guruji's blessings, we are regularly having weekly Guru Bhagavad Parayan on Tuesdays and uploading weekly Guru Bhagavad episodes on Wednesday evening, corresponding to Thursday morning in India. As a tribute to Guruji for Guru Purnima, Abhijit will now read a prayer from Volume 3, Chapter 2, which is on Mrityu Vidya, the knowledge of death. Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai. I will read from chapter 2 from volume 3 of Guru Bhagavad. The chapter discusses the knowledge of death, where Guruji talks about the role of divine in death and how the yogis die, what is willful death. And he goes on to say, how the soul transports from Jivan Mukta to Mahaloka and to lunar region. So he says that one should not be afraid of death, and death is certain, and the afterlife of death depends on what actions you take in this life. And he ends it with a beautiful prayer, and I'm going to say that prayer now. O Guru of my past lives, there is no limit to my ignorance. I neither knew you nor did I ever yearn for you. I never realized that you are my God, embodied in a human form. I was not aware of the abode of your divine activities. Yet you showered so much grace and took a sinner like me under your wings. I have nothing to offer in return except my tears of love to you. O exalted Guru, I am a sinner, a lowly and wayward person. I don't have accumulated virtues, punya, to deserve your kindness. O ocean of compassion, you have millions of devotees, yet listening to the laments of a sinful soul like me, you come rushing towards me to render help. I do not know if there could be any other person on this earth like you, as kind as you. My heart and soul belong to you from this very moment. You are my master and I am your servant. As you command, so I shall obey. Let all my property, body, and life be utilized at your service. I don't yearn for family, fame, money, or property. I don't understand as to why I have to save all my money and property. They are fair weather friends, whereas you only are the true friend during adversity. O lover of devotees, you are the master of my soul. You are really like a mother, father, a true friend, and a brother. You are the witness of my inner soul. You are the divine light of my soul. You are the charioteer seated on the chariot of my heart and the deity in the temple of my mind. You are the receiver of my devotion. You are the giver of the fruit of all my labor. You are the very basis of my knowledge. You are the divine essence of my devotion. You are the one whom I worship. You are the divine call of my soul. You are the very cause of my birth. You are the manifested form of God. I feel blessed to have come under your divine shadow, which has made my life meaningful. I pray to you for taking the jivas of my forefathers under your shelter. O Gurudev, you shower so much compassion on me, even when I don't deserve it. Let me remain always at your feet, and may you be seated in the innermost recesses of my heart. Jai Shri Sai.
After this, we now have the bhajan session. So we will first start with Chongamitra.
जय श्री साई। आओ साई मेरे पास मेरे घर आओ, आओ साई मेरे पास मेरे घर आओ, करुणा के दरिया से कुछ बूंदे लाओ, कुछ बूंदे लाओ। आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ, आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ, करुणा के दरिया से कुछ बूंदे लाओ, कुछ बूंदे लाओ। आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ। छोटी छोटी मीठी बातें दिल में छिपाए, राह तेरी देख देख आँखें भर आए। ओ छोटी छोटी मीठी बातें दिल में छिपाए, राह तेरी देखते आँखें भर आए। अपने हाथों से मेरे सर को सवारो, सर को सवारो। आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ, आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ, करुणा के दरिया से कुछ बूंदे लाओ, कुछ बूंदे लाओ। आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ। चांद सूरज तारे तेरे गीत गाए, मीठा लाए मीठा पानी तेरी याद आए। ओ चांद सूरज तारे तेरे गीत गाए, मीठा लाए मीठा पानी तेरी याद आए। इस जीवन को मेरे तुम अपनाओ, तुम अपनाओ। आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ, आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ, करुणा के दरिया से कुछ बूंदे लाओ, कुछ बूंदे लाओ। आओ साईं मेरे पास, मेरे घर आओ। जय श्री साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
Next, we have a bhajan. Welcome Avanija, Anisha, Shilpa, and Pavni.
जय श्री साई। हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्णा, राधे राधे श्याम। हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्णा, राधे राधे श्याम। चारों धाम में एक ही नाम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्णा, राधे राधे श्याम। तेरी भक्ति पे है अभिमान, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्णा, राधे राधे श्याम। तीनों लोक में है तेरे शान, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्णा, राधे राधे श्याम। तेरे चरणों में है सब सम्मान, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्ण, राधे राधे श्याम। सबके बनाए तू बिगड़े काम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम। हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्ण, राधे राधे श्याम। होठों पे नाम है सुबह और शाम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम। हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्ण, राधे राधे श्याम। राम और श्याम तेरे ही नाम, हे साई राम, हे साई राम। हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्ण, राधे राधे श्याम। जग को दिया तूने सही पैगाम, हर इंसान का एक मकान, हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्ण, राधे राधे श्याम। भक्तों की भक्ति में तू है महान, हे साई राम, हे साई राम। हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्ण, राधे राधे श्याम। हे साई राम, हरे हरे कृष्ण, राधे राधे श्याम। श्री साईनाथ महाराज की जय. We have one more person here too, Aishwarya.
Next, we have a bhajan by Priya.
जय श्री साई। गुरु पूर्णिमा का पर्व यूं मनाए, गुरु साई जी को मन से बनाए, दिए चांद तारों के जलाए हैं जिसने, दिए चांद तारों के जलाए हैं जिसने, समाधि पे उसकी दिए हम जलाए, गुरु पूर्णिमा का पर्व यूं मनाए। न सोना न चांदी न पैसा जरूरी, बाबा तो मांगे श्रद्धा सबूरी, यही साई जी की गुरु दक्षिणा है, मेरी साई जी ने यही मांगना है, चलो बेपए प्रेम से हम चढ़ाए, गुरु पूर्णिमा का पर्व यूं मनाए, गुरु साई जी को मन से बनाए, हमें सच का अमृत पिलाते हैं साई, डगर नेकियों के दिखाते हैं साई, जो लगते हैं ठोकर उठाते हैं साई, दुखों में गले से लगाते हैं साई, मिले हमको साई के सारी दुआएं, गुरु पूर्णिमा का पर्व यूं मनाए, गुरु साई जी को मन से बनाए, जो सारे जहां को दे दाना पानी, जो बच्चों को गुड़ दे परिंदों को दाने, जिसे तेरी मेरी सबकी फिकर है, जो जीवन सफर में सदा हम सफर है, कहे शुक्रिया कान उसका लगाए, गुरु पूर्णिमा का पर्व यूं मनाए, गुरु साई जी को मन से बनाए, दिए चांद तारों के जलाए हैं जिसने, दिए चांद तारों के जलाए हैं जिसने, समाधि पे उसकी दिए हम जलाए, गुरु पूर्णिमा का पर्व यूं मनाए, गुरु साई जी को मन से बनाए। श्री साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
We now have a bhajan by Sudeep, Ankita, and their parents, Ravindra ji and Ragini ji.
Jai Shri Sai. Yeah, so we actually recorded this, and then this is a Marathi bhajan, and then this is a devotion towards Datta Guru. Yeah, Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai. We'll play the recording.
Okay, sure.
धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। पदोपदी अपार झाल्या पुण्याच्या राशी,
झाल्या पुण्याच्या राशी,
सर्व ही तीर्थे घडली आम्हा आदि करुणी काशी,
आम्हा आदि करुणी काशी।
धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। मृदंग टाळ ढोल भक्त भावार्थे गाती,
भक्त भावार्थे गाती।
नाम संकीर्तने ब्रह्मानंदे नाचती,
ब्रह्मानंदे नाचती।
धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। कोटी ब्रह्म हत्या हरिती करिता दंडवत,
करिती करिता दंडवत।
लोटांगण घालिता मोक्ष लोळे पायात,
मोक्ष लोळे पायात।
धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। गुरुभजनाचा महिमा नकळे अगमा निगमासी,
नकळे अगमा निगमासी।
अनुभवते जाणती जे गुरुपदीचे रहिवासी,
जे गुरुपदीचे रहिवासी।
धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। प्रदक्षिणा करुणी देह भावे वाहिला,
देह भावे वाहिला।
श्रीरंगात्मज विठ्ठल पुढे उभा राहिला,
पुढे उभा राहिला।
धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची। धन्य धन्य हो प्रदक्षिणा सद्गुरुरायाची, झाली त्वरा सुरवराभिमान उतरायाची।
we now have bhajan by little Abhiraj and his parents Yogita and Kuldeep, and of course Swara is there with Rohini and Adesh. They will sing a Guru bhajan. Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai. Today we will dedicate our bhajan to Guru Purnima. The Adya Guru is Shri Krishna, who taught us Gita. So we dedicate or offer our bhajan to him and all the Gurus. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.
Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.
Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha.
Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Om Namo Narayanaya.
Om Namo Narayanaya.
मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है.
मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है.
मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है.
मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है.
करते हो तुम कन्हैया मेरा नाम हो रहा है.
करते हो तुम कन्हैया मेरा नाम हो रहा है.
मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है.
मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है.
पतवार के बिना ही मेरी नाव चल रही है.
पतवार के बिना ही मेरी नाव चल रही है.
हैरान है जमाना मंजिल भी मिल रही है.
हैरान है ज़माना मंजिल भी मिल रही
Jai Shri Sai.
Next, we have tabla, recital by Anuj.
Jai Shri Sai. I would like to express my gratitude to all the gurus in my life with this presentation. Jai Shri Sai.
So we will conclude this evening session with 5 minutes chanting. And Priya, you're going to lead the chanting?
Jai Shri Sai. Yes,
Yes,
I can do the chanting. Shri Sainath Maharaj ki jai. Shri Sainathaya Nama Nama. Shri Sachidanandaya Nama Nama. श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ति नमः नमः श्री गुरु चरणाभ्याम नमो नमः। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
Jai Shri Sai. With Baba and Guruji's blessings, we will conclude this beautiful satsang celebrating Guru Purnima, and we will see you all again next month. So Jai Shri Sai, everyone.
Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri
Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai.
Jai Shri Sai.
जय श्री साई।
Jai Shri Sai.